So we can see right here, my boys are doing the work of uprooting the root stump. So smart farmers who understand the importance and the need for organic farming are actually driving towards wood ash as not just a source of organic fertilizer or natural fertilizer, but also for pest control. So in today's video, we shall be looking at pest control by utilizing wood ash, or how you can actually use wood ash to actually control pests in your farm. If you look closely, this is our banana and plantain farm. Our plantains are 1 month old, or a little bit above 1 month, and then we are making sure we are practicing, or we are imbibing in the best farming practices to actually give them what they need, to actually give us what we need as well. My name is Tochuku. This is Tagro Farms. Some of us might even be wondering, what is this wood ash we're talking about, or what is the source of wood ash? What I'm holding here is actually a root stunt. As a matter of fact, this is a wood. So when you gather some of these woods and then burn them, they give you ash. So this organic natural fertilizer is actually very, very important, and this is one of the natural sources of fertilizer and pesticide. But today we're going to be looking at the pesticides angle of wood ash, why you need wood ash to actually drive some of the pests in your farm. Like I said earlier, our plantain farm is actually 1 month and 2 weeks old, and we've been having series of worm attack on them. At this stage, this is what you get. The worms are going to be attacking this fresh leaf, this fresh emerging leaf, and if care is not taken, or if you don't notice that on time, they're going to cut them off and their growth will be retarded, and they're not going to give you what you actually need. So we've been battling for some time now to actually get rid of some of those worms, and today we are bringing a stop to that because we're going to apply our wood ash. I'm going to show you guys how you can actually prepare your wood ash, how you can set them up, and how you can actually apply them. That we shall be doing in our video. Stay tuned. Okay, right away, let's actually so with that, let's see that apply not just only the root system, apply on top potassium or pesticide. So that means actually can easily mix with water. So here we're actually using one stone to actually kill two birds. What do I mean by that? We're not just controlling the pest, we're equally adding fertilizer and organic natural fertilizer as well. So, and the reason why we apply them on the leaf is that once this wood ash get in contact with the worms, they're going to kill them instantly. So you need to apply the wood ash on the leaves so they can actually get in contact. And sometimes they hide under, they can actually hide under the wood, the leaf of the plant. So we can actually check under and also make sure they get to touch everywhere. So you look over here, you will see this young emerging leaf is actually or has been badly eaten by these worms. Okay, we have a worm. We have a worm hiding under this, so you can actually see. Like I said, they normally hide, or they usually hide under the leaf. So let's get this one. So this is what we're talking about. You can actually see this is the worm. So this is the reason why we must apply even under the under. So the application of the wood ash will help to drive these pests away. Once they get in contact with the wood ash, they will try to avoid the area. So you can see it's already been affected. You just apply the wood ash on it, so it's being disturbed. It's trying to find its way out. These are some of our young plantain suckers. We established our farm like 6 weeks ago, as we ordered about 100 suckers and we put 50 on ground. We actually put the rest as nursery. So let's get this one off. Okay, you can see this is actually dying off. So we're going to put this right amount. So we're going to also make sure they are in line as we are replacing this. We're going to make sure it falls along the line. It falls because we have to plant them in row. And so you know, we have our measurement as a 6 feet by 6 feet measurement. So before we cover with the sand, we're going to apply organic manure, which is the goat pellets, that's the goat feces. So we're going to apply and cover with the topsoil. Alright guys, look closely. There's a caterpillar over there. One thing is very important at this stage of your banana or plantain farm, you must be very vigilant of these guys at this stage. Of course, so you know, our plantain farm is actually 1 month old, roughly 1 month and 1 week old. So this is the stage when they start invading these young plantain farm. So get rid of them. If you look closely, you will see they're already beginning to eat up this young leaf that is emerging at the moment. So we're going to get rid of the caterpillar. So get rid of them and kill them. There's a caterpillar over there. We have to kill them. So very important. So you can see our plantain farm. So at this stage is when you also apply your organic manure, which we've done. We've actually applied our organic manure. So guys, you can actually see what I'm talking about. You can see the leaves are being distorted by these caterpillars. They're actually eating up, this is their feces. They're actually eating up this one. So how do you check to know whether you have the caterpillars in your farm? If you don't see them, okay, we've seen one here. You can see one inside here. So check very well. They're hiding somewhere. They might be hiding under the leaf like this. You can see one. One is hiding here, another one is hiding here. So what you do is to get a stick, and then get them out gradually. So now it's trying to hide inside. So actually get it off this way. Oh,
and it's actually running inside. That's it over here. So get it out. Yeah, that's it over here. Kill them. So let's go over to this guy over here. That guy is actually relaxing, waiting for morning meal to come over. No. So this is our guy over here. You can see. Kill them off. Very important. So we go over to the next plant. So let's do the checking to see whether we have the caterpillar here. They usually hide under the plantain or banana leaf, so check very well. This stage is when they invade the young banana or plantain plants, so check very well. Fortunately for us, there is none here, so this one is growing healthy. You can see the leaves is actually emerging pretty well. So let's go over to this guy. Let's check to see if we have the caterpillars over here. So guys, you can take a look at our farm. You can take a look. So the farm is quite young. They are emerging gradually. So let's continue our check. So let's check over here. Let's check under. Okay, none is here. Let us also check under here to see if we have a caterpillar hiding under. Let's check this. Okay, there's none. Let's go over to this guy. Okay. Baba day here. Baba is here. You can see. So we get them out and then kill it. Yes, you can actually get rid of it that way. Let's check under to see if we have another. Let us also check under. And the thing is that I actually came over here yesterday, which was 19th of that was 19th of May. So I had to get rid of so many, but today again you can see they are coming back. So let's get to okay, you can see our guy over here. Our guy is actually relaxing over here. So let's get rid of it. You're not running anywhere. No running to anywhere. So get rid of it. Let's go further to this guy. So you can see how they mesh this young leaf up. So definitely there must be one here. Let's check unless it has gone out or we've eliminated that one. So let's check. Okay, there is none. I must have eliminated that one. Okay, let's go over to the next guy. So let's check over this guy here. Okay, let's check on that. Okay, no. So let's check this guy. Okay, there is none under here. So guys, let's check this guy. Let's check under. No, this one is good. No, let's check this guy. No, this guy is clean. This guy is also clean. It's also clean. So guys, let's check this dude. This dude is clean. This dude is clean. It's clean. You can see that's the cup, their nest. So get rid of it. Get rid of it. You can also check this guy. See?
You see. All right, guys. See you next time.